Let's cover the specific topic, the police, the local police. So first, why people are getting here, how to get outside. Let's talk about drugs, obviously. Let's talk about lawyers, prices, bribes, what to do if you get in a car accident, weapons, relationships. Okay, so like we are going to cover those kind of topics. All right. So let's think why people are getting into the police department. So it's like in all other countries, you made some crime, maybe somebody like did something illegal. So make sure that you know the local laws, or at least behave well while you staying and doing your vacation activities in the Dominican Republic. What's legal and what's illegal here? It's a good question, but it's just common sense. Just behave well, be polite to people, be nice, so and everything gonna be great with you. So people getting in the police department for different reasons, but sometimes the reasons are just crazy. I knew one person, he just like decided to fight the police officer after he got drunk. So definitely try to avoid those kind of situation. Try to be nice with everybody. So local people are really friendly, they're really nice, and it's just common sense. Do not go to your vacation home after like let's say 3 a.m. By the main road with the with a lot of cash, with computer and new iPhone. So that definitely doesn't make any sense to do so. Take a cab, go home, enjoy your vacation, and just stay safe, stay healthy. Drugs. Let's cover drugs in the Dominican Republic. That's insanely great topic. So if I were you, I would just stay away from drugs. Just you have a lot of things to enjoy in the Dominican Republic, like nature, like rum, cigars. So everything what's legal can be used in the Dominican Republic. So enjoy rum, enjoy amazing climate, enjoy amazing nature. Make sure you're staying out of troubles, because like even marijuana is not legal in the Dominican Republic. I know guys that it's already legal in most states of the United States, or in Canada or somewhere in Europe, but unfortunately it's still illegal in the Dominican Republic. So stay out of trouble, because like it's a bit corrupted country, and we need to admit that, because like if local police guy, he's earning around $200 and he has a family of with 7 kids, imagine how he or she is making money. So in order to avoid any kind of troubles, just like keep to legal stuff. Just make sure you have great rum, great drinks, make sure you have great cigars. So just enjoy the country, enjoy this experience, stay out of drugs, stay out of troubles here in the Dominican Republic. So how to get outside? So if you're already in the police department, first of all, just contact the lawyer. Make sure that you have a lawyer and that representing your case. So the legal system is similar to the United States, but it's not the same. So for those kind of guys who were like working as a lawyer in the United States, it doesn't mean that you can do business in the Dominican Republic, because legal system is still different. Everything is operating in different phase, so it's a different country. So just contact your lawyer or contact your host just to ask some great question. In case I'm your host, you can ask questions me, and we can help and organize some basic help, some basic information. We are providing everything to our guests. Lawyers and prices. The prices for lawyers could be crazy in some cases. If you really want to be successful with some kind of endeavor, you need to make sure that you hire a trusted person, because it's super complicated topic to find somebody who you can trust in the Dominican Republic. To find a good lawyer here, it's a big issue, big trouble. So make sure you stay out of troubles again, because it's going to be much cheaper than hire a lawyer and dealing like with your problems here, because it's really complicated, because like, lawyers, sometimes lawyers are, they don't do diligent work, and they are not responsible. It's gonna take forever, and just make sure that you are avoiding this kind of stuff. This is the best recommendation I can give you. But in case you already need a lawyer, make sure that you find somebody with a great reputation, great record, and make sure that you are paying, you know, like fair price. Bribes in the police departments. If I were you, I wouldn't do this. So just make sure that you're paying officially, make sure you're paying transparently, and make sure you have receipt on everything. All kind of money that you are giving to anybody, make sure you have a receipt. Just like avoid those kind of bribes, because you can be deeply into the troubles. Or you can use your lawyer, you can use official negotiator to make sure that everything is going to be in an official way, or just at least you are not involved in those kind of schemes. So make sure that you are doing everything transparent. You have third part that are negotiating for you, or just like a lawyer that is like dealing with all these cases and takes responsibility. If you got in a car accident, first of all, if you never drove in countries like Dominican Republic, I would not suggest you to do this. So just go with excursions, go with experiences, go with everything else. Just avoid those kind of driving experience. If you really want to try this, okay, you have a lot of risks, especially at night. The rule of thumb: first, do not stop anywhere, like only at gas stations. Second, make sure that you have good lights and you're very, very attentive during the night, because you will have a lot of motorcycle drivers that driving like crazy, no lights, no nothing. So absolutely nothing. It's really dangerous to drive in the Dominican Republic, and those kind of motorcycle drivers drive like crazy. I really mean it. So if you already got into car accident, make sure that you are going directly to the police department. Especially if you hit motorcycle, just go directly to the Dominican Republic, the officials. Just make sure that you're going to Casa do Conductor, if they have this. Let's say in Santo Domingo they have Casa do Conductor, where you can manage all those cases, or you go to the police department. Make sure that you're making a proper photos, and if you're renting a car, make sure the company has insurance and full coverage for your car. So this way you can avoid those kind of troubles. Just go and report. You have 24 hours to report the case to officials. Make sure that you are doing this firsthand. All right? Weapons. So you can buy weapons only if you are a permanent resident in the Dominican Republic. That's really important. If you're not permanent resident, you cannot buy any kind of legal weapons. So if you want to buy something, just make sure it's legal. Make sure you have like all documents and you see everything up front. So right now, the Dominican Republic is just on hold in terms of weapons, in terms of these kind of deals. So there are no legal weapon right now in the market, and everything is just on hold because we are waiting for the new law in the Dominican Republic about the weapons. So just make sure that you're doing everything legally. Make sure that you're doing everything transparently. Relationships. My strong recommendation: if you live and work in the Dominican Republic, build relationships. If you just even visit in the Dominican Republic, build the relationships. Sometimes people is not going to care, they are not going to care about money, but they care about your attitude. It's really incredible. Sometimes you can fix some things with just good relationship, and people will really work hard to deliver the best just because you have great relationship. Just respect local people, always keep smile, be nice and polite, and this way you are going to have gonna advance much more than just via some legal, aggressive or some nasty way. Make sure that you are friendly, make sure that you're polite with everybody, just try to adapt to the Dominican Republic. It's different from everything else. So be friendly, be nice to local people.